Hi, I'm Dijan. I'm going to share with you a sequence of warm-up for the body, a warm-up for the mind, and a mindfulness meditation. It's a good beginning to train our mind for concentration, but also to start from a good physical place and prevent any pain during meditation practice. So, let's do something good for ourselves and practice. We will start to practice with a comfortable seated down position. You can sit cross-legged or on your knees or on a chair, whatever feels comfortable for you. Make sure that you have enough support. If you need to lift your hips a little bit, put an extra pillow. You can put pillows or blocks under your knees. You need to be comfortable, so please do not force your body into these meditative postures, which are great as long as they're really feeling natural in your body. Your body is trained and flexible enough to hold them for a longer time. Otherwise, practicing on a chair is more than enough, because the point is to train the mind. And let's start with a relaxation of the body to go into a meditative state, dropping the heads and starting slowly, very slowly, with full awareness, with rotations of the head towards the right. We are already starting with our concentration practice by bringing our full awareness into the movement, whatever sensation arises in the area of the neck. Opposite direction. It is a conscious effort to move very slowly. You may also notice if there's a contraction in any part, in any region, as you're moving. And with the help of the breath, help the body to relax, to let go, gently. And inhaling in the center, exhaling, turning to the left, coming back to the center. Inhale and exhale to the right. And coming back to the center, inhale, dropping the head towards one shoulder. Staying here for a breath, feeling the stretching. And coming back to the center, inhale, dropping to the other side. And coming back to the center, inhaling the arms up. And exhale, stretch to one side. Coming back up. Stretching to the other side. Coming back up, gentle twist by holding on to the opposite knee, and one more time up, and opposite direction, and bringing the arms up. Inhale, exhale, bringing the hands and arms close to each other. The back, bringing the shoulder blades close to each other. And again, lifting the arms up and walking forward. And slowly coming back up. So this is a very short and gentle warm-up. You can go deeper, repeat the movements. Do whatever your body feels that it's needing right now. And now we will continue with warming up our mind, and for that we will bring our attention to our breath. Without changing the rhythm or amplitude, we will just follow the breath. Feel as the air is drawn in through our nostrils, as it touches the inside of our nostrils. And as we exhale, this withdrawal of the mind towards the breath helps us to calm down the mind. Bring the mind back to the body more and more. It's the mind's nature to go to travel, to follow some thoughts. Whenever we catch the mind following thoughts, we gently bring it back to our practice. Our first concentration practice is the counting of the breath. An in-breath and out-breath together is one count. Without changing the rhythm or amplitude of the breath, we just count from 1 to 7. If we cannot reach 7, we go back to the beginning. And if we manage to reach 7, we go from 1 to 14. And in the next round, 1 to 21, multiples of 7. Whenever we feel lost in a train of thought, we go back to the very beginning to 1 to 7. Please begin counting the breath without changing its rhythm or amplitude. And that will do. Taking a moment to observe your state of being with your eyes closed. And continuing with focusing your attention on the breath, without counting, just as a reference, while you become a silent observer of all the sensations, emotions and thoughts, without analyzing, just being present. Any sound, any sensation in your physical body, any thought rising up in your mind, let them go, just like clouds on a clear blue sky, staying with your awareness with the clear blue sky. Every time you find yourself following a train of thought or a sensation, gently, with compassion, bring yourself back. Following the breath. Whenever the mind travels away, as it is its nature, bring it back to the clear blue sky through anchoring into the breath. And that will do. This concludes our short program to introduce you to the practice of meditation by preparing your body, your mind. Please feel free to share your comments, your own suggestions to walk on the path of meditation, your reviews for improving this platform more and more, and encouraging others to make use of this free service. Thank you, and congratulations, you did something great for yourself.